Hey friend, and welcome back in another Notion tour video. In this today video, I will show you my Notion Creator Brain 3.0 template. This Notion template is specifically made for content creators who want to manage their content, like scheduling their contents, organizing affiliates, sponsorships, and more, and also organizing their life, like daily habits, goals, journal, notes, and more in one place. So this is the ultimate planner for full-time content creators. So let's get started and let me show you what we have inside this Notion template. First, we have the dashboard here, which includes all the essential features of this Notion template, so you can access them easily. And here, the first thing you're gonna see is the quick action buttons. So from here, you can add a new task, create a new content idea, add a note, resource, or add a new sponsor. And below it, you can see post content. And this is a detailed type of creating new content. So for example, you can add a new video, new tweet, new thread, reel, short, or a new post, and you can add a new TikTok video. So for example, let's create a new daily task. And let's say we want to go to gym. Here you can add the status of this task, the area, and let's say self-improvement, or you can add your own area, let's say health. Here we can add the priority and let's say it's important. Also, you can relate this task to a content, project, or a goals. So for example, for goals, we have build muscles, and also I can connect it to a specific project, which will be bulking for 6 months. Here we have archive tasks. So for example, if we don't want to delete this task, and I'm not gonna go to gym, I can simply archive this task and it will be sent to the archive section. Now here we can see today tasks progress. And for example, if we go to our daily tasks, we have only one task here. So basically we see that it's 0% and not started. But let's add some other tasks. And let's say that both those tasks are completed. Now, if we go to our today tasks progress, we can see that 60% completed and we are so close. And for example, if this task is also done and we end all today tasks, we can see that the job is done and it's 100% completed. Now, moving on, we can see this navigation toggle, which opens to you all the pages inside this Notion template, from the Para dashboard, creative mode, creator mobile, social media, content creation, sponsorship, and more. Now, here in the right side, we can see our daily inbox, which contain today content, today tasks, today done tasks. Here we have today priorities. So for example, this task is important, so it will be in the important priority. Here we have today habits, and you can check them from here. Today journal, recent notes, and also finally, recent resources. Moving on, here we can see our social media platforms. And if we click, for example, on Twitter, we can see all the properties that are related to this platform. Now, here we can see content that are related to this platform. We can see today content, overview, this week content, and upcoming content. Here we can see the ideas that are not published related to this content. We can see also projects and goals that are related to this platform. And also, finally, we can see resources. Here we can see creators area, and this is extended from the Para method, which is projects, area, resources, and archives. And the area, for example, we can add a new one like that we added before, which is health. You can add your own cover here. Now, once you created a new area, you can see the contents that are related to it. For example, today content, overview content, and this week tasks, projects, goals, notes, and resources. And now we can see our sponsorships manager. Here we can see a calendar view, which show you all the deadline of your sponsor. So for example, if this sponsor deadline and at 14 May, we will show you that sponsor expired. Now also we have here active sponsor, so we can see all current active sponsor that we are working on. You can see the amount that are gonna pay, sponsor which we gonna start, when it's gonna expire, the days left, promoting type, their email, creating process, and which content is related to the sponsor. Now moving on to the review section, we can see idea that need to be published or reviewed, So for example, if you add a new idea and you want to review it after 2 days, if you didn't review it, it will be shown here in the review section until you're gonna review it and switch it from not published to yes published, and it will disappear. Also the same we have here for resources. Here also we have notes, also the same, and books. On the right side you can see a Spotify widget which gonna play some cool music to help you stay productive and focused. Now here in this week section we can see this week content. So for example, we have here this content which related to X, how to use the creator brain. We can see that we didn't publish this content, so it's overdue by 3 days. But let's say we publish it, mark as published. Now we can see it's published and it's clear now. Here we can see today content and upcoming content. Here we have overdue content. For example, if this still overdue, we're gonna see it here. Here we can see today tasks, and let me delete those 2 tasks. And here we can see some overdue tasks. If we move it to today, we can see it's due to today. And if we move it to tomorrow or next, we can see it as it's upcoming. Here we can see the upcoming task, overdue tasks. Now, in the in progress section, we can see now the goals that are in progress, not 0% and not 100%. It's in the middle or in progress, or it's so close to complete. And your goals can be personal, for example, building muscles, and or it can be professional for content creation. For example, here we have hit 100k views on Twitch. Here also you can see the projects and tasks that are related to this goal. Now, moving on, we can see projects in progress. So we can see in progress, in the middle, and so close projects. And in the in progress section, we have also books that are not completed, reading. Moving on, we can see goals progress charts. And those charts are created to help you, and it's also aesthetic, looks good to track your goals. So for example, we can see that build muscle, for example, it's 0%. And also we have projects progress charts and other progress charts for other pages. Here we have the due dates or the deadline section, and here you can see your goals by a timeline view and grouped by quarters. And also here you can see your projects grouped by goals in a timeline view. That's all what we have in the dashboard section. Of course, there's also many other pages to explore. We have the para dashboard, for example, which you can see tasks, contents, projects, area, resources, and archives. And we have other mini pages, for example, creative mode. Here we can see creator mobile. Here we have content creation page. We have sponsorships, content resource with many types and organized well. Here we have content idea, also organized well, creator life area. And here we have also affiliates, where you can manage your and organize your affiliates. Here we have goals, projects, just like I showed you before, tasks, notes, but in those pages, everything organized well. So the Notion Creator Brain 3.0 is the template every content creator needs if he wants to manage and organize his content and his life in one place with ease. These templates also include a video tutorial and many other free bonuses to improve your experience. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.